Subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon for the latest updates. How to connect your Facebook account on Truecaller app. Go to your phone menu, find the Truecaller app and click on it. Click on the left menu. Click on the pencil icon next to your name. Now click on the Facebook button. Log into your Facebook account if you are not already logged in. Click on Continue. That's it. Your Facebook account is now connected with your Truecaller account. Click Save to apply the changes. This is how you can connect your Facebook account on Truecaller app. Thank you for watching.